Why are ratings and reviews crucial for both SEO and conversion optimization?
Otherwise, your reviews are an island. They sit on your website and nobody sees them unless they go to your site. But the fact is that most people will not go to your site unless they see reviews in search results. So that's where the SEO component and the persuasion in search is absolutely critical. This is a very often misunderstood and not leveraged strategy. Make sure that you're working with a Google review partner, because if you're not, your reviews simply aren't going to be shown. So we like to say that ratings and reviews really sit between SEO and CRO or conversion, because they affect both. When you're collecting ratings and reviews through a Google and Bing review partner, they're going to show up in the paid and organic search results. They're going to show up on your website, and they're going to create more visibility, more clicks, and more traffic in search, and more conversions on your website. So ratings and reviews are a form of UGC, or user-generated content. And it's a very, very important form of UGC.